25th.
Why do you look like
250 po. Come on! It's different.
this?
Come on. The bathroom is not
Aww.
but diba? Where's the middle kasi? I'm legit lost.
It's not the middle. It's the side.
We're switching rooms kasi usually this is a glass door, a glass wall, so you can see each other. If I stay in the bed, she's gonna stay in the bathtub. We can clearly see each other pa din, di ba? We have sepangs.
Sepang.
Sepangs.
I miss you.
Sepangs. This is a scary ass corner. There's a weird gap. I don't know. Ano ba itong mga kurtina? Ang hirap nila buksan, but there's a small nook. So, pag nagmumukmuk ka, it's perfect.
If your children misbehave, you throw them in there.
Yeah, you throw them there, tapos i-push mo tong this pag ano. So, they're locked in. Tapos lagay mo dito yung upuan na yun. Lagay mo dito para talagang block sila. Yeah, that's how we torture kids.
I worry about you sometimes.
So, unfortunately, they don't have the room we wanted. I wanted. But we wanted. But they're gonna let us know daw kung may mag-open up tapos lilipat kami. For the meantime, I'm making coffee. Somebody left it on. So pag pour ko ng water, nagulat ako. And then she's unpacking our things. Sorry. Ito lang gusto rin namin dito sa hotel na to kasi they have like it's like a house. Like they have fridge, they have microwaves, rice cooker, and toaster, like induction oven, dishwasher that we love using, and fire extinguisher, trash can. Look, ang cute nung pag-open. And also, yung water nila is potable. So, pag nakaganyan settings, like this, yun siya lalabas sa kabila, which means you can drink it.
And they have pitchers, so you can just fill it up.
Yeah, fill it up and put it in the fridge. You have cold water. Also, they have this space for laundry. You can do your laundry. You can ask them for soap, I think. Yeah, so you can do your laundry. We're definitely gonna do our laundry before we go para yung mga clothes. And then extra storage space for mumus. So mamayang gabi I'll check if may bata dito na nagtatago, or maybe dito sa taas. Dining room, nice mirror, living room, TV, and the view from the outside, construction zone. So sa bedroom, what we're used to kasi yun nga, may mirror, may glass wall to. Tapos this thing is there para sa umaga you can just sightsee again. Right now, medyo nakakailang tumambay kasi katapat namin itong mga building na to agad. I don't know kung anong building siya. And this din, like what if, imagine, nandito kami sa bed, naked and all. Tapos gusto namin buksan to so we have a view. Pero, tada! Kita mo rin yung tao agad sa kabila. Hello, neighbors! Parang may nagpatayan dito sa room na to. Ang daming gas-gas ng carpet and tas-tas. The floor din pala. Like, what the hell happened here? Ay, ito naman sa bathroom. Ay, ano pala to? It's the closet space. Ironing board. What's here? Your locker, hamper, sleepers. Black yung sleepers nila ngayon. Usually white to it. So it's nice. Anyway, here's the bathroom. It's nice pa din naman. But, this would have been nice if it's mirror. And then, ito yung gusto kong meron kami sa bahay. Dalawang sink para pag nagtututbrush kami sa bahay, hindi siksikan sa isang sink lang na nakagano. Shower. Ooh, I really like this. Yung rain effect thingy na shower. And then, ayun, ang awkward dito, pag nagba-bathtub ka, kita ka agad nung kabilang building, which is weird. I mean, you could close this para hindi ka kita, pero yun nga yung isang masaya dun sa isang sinasabi kong room na masaya kasi you can see everything. Dito kasi medyo close. So, yeah, you don't have a choice but just to watch TV. Tingnan natin kung mabilis yung internet nila. Not bad. 100. Not bad. You can definitely work here if you prefer. If you're gonna stay for like a week or so, hindi ka madidisappoint sa internet nila. Every time na pupunta ako sa mga hotel or just checking in, every time we go to a hotel, this is my jam. Infomercials. Ito talaga habol ko sa hotel eh. Alam mo yung iiwan mo lang siyang nakabukas while you're relaxing sa bed and all. I don't know. It's my kink. It's my fetish. It's commercials. Look, may YouTube. May there's YouTube. Ang pangat naman. Lagyan natin ng culture yung TV na to, okay? I can't even spell my own channel. Mildly infuriating. There. Look guys, yung giveaway ongoing pa rin. Ano ba? Wala bang Ayun lang. Make sure to subscribe guys. The giveaway is still ongoing. I'm gonna put the link in the description below thing. So, go kayo doon. Sayang yun, speaker. Ayaw nyo ba ng speaker? Subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. Look ako ata yung nasa TV. Pag naka 1,000 likes, tsaka tayo tsaka tayo magro-roleta. Okay, go. Thank you guys. Subscribe.
Pizza's here.
Pizza's here.